Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, let's scroll down and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize the ringtone and alert sound, and tap on ringtone, which is at the top. So here we've got different albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. You can also choose on this device, and you will be transferred to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, then it should appear somewhere here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. I'll pick something from the pre-installed ringtones. Let me pick maybe nature, and here we've got pre-installed options. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option and listen whether you like it or not. So for example, this one, maybe not that loud, and this is how it works. So just tap on it and to listen whether you like it. So let's pretend I'd like to set this far away option as my ringtone, so just tap on it, and if it is marked, then you can go back. Let's go back again, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.